Subtraction problems set up the same way as addition problems, as columns. If I'd like to start by subtracting 63 minus 41, 63 goes on the top, 41 goes directly beneath it, the 1 under the 3, the 4 under the 6, and a line under that. I now subtract two numbers at a time. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Final answer is 22. Many of us have been taught different ways to do that subtraction. Notice I spoke 3 minus 1, where someone else might say 1 from 3 is. Either of those approaches are acceptable. Moving on to another type of subtraction problem. Suppose I have 62 minus 38. Looks similar, but as you will notice, it is not. I start by my lineup, 6-2 on the top, 3-8 on the bottom, line under that. The first math fact that I have to deal with is 8 from 2. We can't take 8 from 2. That leads us to one of the things that used to bother most of us in grammar school, a process called borrowing. Since I can't take 8 from 2, I go to the tens column and borrow 1 10 from the 6, making that a 5, and I place a 1 next to the 2, making that a 12. Now I subtract 8 from 12, and I get 4. And moving to the left, I have 3 from 5, leaving me with a 2. Final answer of 24. Borrowing tends to cause more problems than any other action in subtraction. Okay. 3-digit minus a 2-digit. 346 minus 73. As I've said before, it lines up just like addition. That hidden decimal point is there. I line it up. So on the top, I would have 346. And beneath that, under the 6, I would have the 3. Under the 4, I would have the 7. And beneath that number, I would draw my line. Starting on the farthest right, at the ones column, 3 from 6 is 3, and I'm back to 7 from 4. Again, I cannot take 7 away from 4. I need to borrow. This time I'll borrow from the 3 in the hundreds column, making that a 2, and I add the 1 in front of the 4, making that a 14. 7 from 14 is 7, and finally, I bring down the 2 since I have no other digit in the bottom number. My final answer there, 273.